Hey everyone, welcome to day number 2 of the 30 days Etsy hack challenge. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the shop icon. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this and put an emphasis on it is because it's really important. It's one of the most important elements of your Etsy store. And the main reason why is because your shop icon, not only does it show up on your homepage of your store, it also shows up on your Etsy receipts and also shows up on other areas of your Etsy store. So this is what people will remember of your brand. So it's really important that 1, you have a good image or a good logo. 2, that's not blurry. 3, it doesn't look similar like other brands. It's something that stands out and something that's different. It's really, really important to stand out, especially if you are in a saturated market and your niche is very saturated. So one way that you could differentiate yourself from your competitors is by having a logo that stands out or an image that stands out. And keep in mind that whatever image you put here should be the same image that you put across all of your platforms. So if you're promoting your store on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, or any other platform, you should have the same shop icon. So therefore, when more people engage with your brand, especially if they do find you outside of Etsy, they'll be like, oh, that's the same store I just shopped last week, or that's the same store that I favored an item, and they'll start remembering your brand. So I took a couple notes to kind of help you guys, and I wanted to make sure that I help you to take it to the next level. So when you're thinking about your shop icon, here's some things to keep in mind. So what distinguishes you from your competitors, right? So think about that. Another thing you could do is, what colors do you want to use? Another thing you could think about is, what colors best illustrates your brand? Maybe you could use your branding colors. Also, does the shop icon complement your banner, right? Does it complement your banner? Does it complement your aesthetic? In addition to that, if you're stuck and you're like, I don't know what shop icon I should use, browse through different Etsy stores, look at your competitors and make it better. What you could also do is look at big corporations like Nike or Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts and see what type of logos do they have. Do they have a tagline on their logo? Do they have just their logo on it by itself? Do they have something that you look at and you're like, oh, that's different, their logo stands out? You want to make sure that you put emphasis on whatever shop icon you put here. And another thing you want to keep in mind is a lot of people don't put a shop icon, and what happens is, by default, Etsy would use your photo as your shop icon on your receipts in other areas in your Etsy store. And you don't want that, because if you're behind the brand and your brand is your logo is your brand, you want to make sure that your icon, your shop icon, which could be a picture or could be your logo, is the thing that stands out, is the thing that everybody sees on a consistent basis, so they could start remembering you, remembering your brand. That's how you strengthen your brand. This is why it's so important to take the time to, 1, create a shop icon that stands out and that represents your brand. Keep in mind the size is 500 by 500 pixels. And when you're ready to edit this, all you need to do is, if you go to your shop manager and you go to settings and you go to info and appearance and you go right here, it says upload your shop icon, and you could just upload it right here. It has to be either a JPEG, a PNG file smaller than 10 MB, so megabytes, and is 500 by 500. So you could easily create your shop icon using Canva or any other graphic design tool that you choose to. But make sure that you take the time to do this so you can stand out from your competitors. If you have any questions about your shop icon, let me know by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like and comment this video, and I will see you on the next Etsy hack.